Chinese vegetable is crisp and tender in texture, delicious in flavor, rich in nutrients, has a special, sour and salty taste, and is rich in protein, keratin, dietary fiber, minerals, etc. that are necessary for the human body. Many people love to eat Sichuan vegetables. Let's make stir-fried cabbage with pickled mustard today. This home-cooked dish looks ordinary, but after eating it, you will realize that it is really delicious. Stir-fried cabbage absorbs the salty taste of Sichuan vegetable and has cabbage sweetness taste. The combination of flavors is surprisingly delicious. Cabbage, Sichuan vegetable, ginger, thin-sliced Sichuan vegetable, chopped ginger, cabbage cut into small pieces, washed and set aside. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add Sichuan vegetable. Add half-cup water, simmer Sichuan vegetable. One teaspoon sugar. Optional to add 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Once boiled, add cabbage. One teaspoon oyster sauce. Stir-fry duration to adjust per own preference. Cabbage texture. Stir-fry longer if you like softened cabbage texture. Plate cabbage. Delicious stir-fry cabbage with Sichuan vegetable is done. This home-cooked dish really surprised me. Friends, you should try it and see if you like it. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube, there are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Green cabbage can taste slightly peppery when consumed raw. but its taste is sweeter and less spicy when it's cooked. Cabbage is highly nutritious vegetable. Cabbages are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and vitamin K. They may help with heart and digestive health. K. Cabbage is a low-calorie, nearly fat-free food that is a good source of potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Cha sai, jar choi, ya choi cha soy. Sha kai, also romanized as cha sai, is a type of pickled mustard plant stem originating from Chongqing, China. The name may also be written in English as cha sai, jar choi, ya choi, or cha soy. In English, it is commonly known as Sichuan vegetable. The nutritional content of mustard is characterized by being rich in salt, potassium, and dietary fiber. Therefore, the nutritional value of mustard is that it can replace table salt for cooking and supplement potassium. Eating it in moderation can stimulate the appetite, ease